Why is Italy a bucket list must? From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the ancient streets of Rome, each corner tells a story. Let's dive into the top 5 breathtaking places you simply can't miss. First stop, the Amalfi Coast, with cliffs diving into the deep blue of the Mediterranean and colorful villages perched daringly on the edge. Next, Venice, not just a city, but a floating masterpiece, where gondolas glide on serene waters under historic bridges. Then, we wander through Tuscany, where vineyards stretch to the horizon, and every sunset is a live painting. No trip is complete without Rome, the Eternal City, where every path leads to mythic ruins and vibrant piazzas. Finally, behold the Dolomites, where jagged peaks pierce the sky, offering trails that promise the adventure of a lifetime. Ready to explore? Italy awaits.